5 Interesting robot facts you should know. Robot comes from the Czech word robota, meaning drudgery, and first appeared in the 1921 play R.U.R. Rossum's Universal Robots. The drama ends badly when the machines rise up and kill their creators, leaving a sole lonely survivor. Before video starting, wish you a happy and safe Eid to you and to your family. 1. The U.S. Marine Corps tested a 4-legged robotic dog to explore its use for combat. Robotics is constantly evolving. The U.S. Marine Corps tested a 4-legged robotic dog to explore its use for combat. The prototype, named Spot, was made by Google X's Boston Dynamics. 2. The Japanese government is spending 1/3 of its budget on the growth of care robots to help the elderly. Currently, 25% of Japan's population is over 65 years of age, and by the year 2065, it is anticipated to rise to 40%. As a result, the nursing care robot market has rapidly increased. Thus, the government is spending 1/3 of its budget on the growth of care robots to help the Japanese elderly. 3. A robot can protect the environment. The battery detector robot is created to detect used batteries to protect the environment from hazards. With this purpose in mind, the robot ensures that all battery components can be recycled. Besides, the system uses a standard AB robotic arm with special sensing and grasping gear. 4. Robot farmers will soon help the agriculture industry. Robot farmers are programmed to plant seeds, weed, water, and spray without a farmer needing to go into the field. Most noteworthy, researchers are developing these robot farmers to harvest crops as well. Experts predict that those robots will work in the near future. 5. Sophia is the first robot to get citizenship. Sophia is a social humanoid robot. Most noteworthy, Sophia is the first robot to get citizenship from Saudi Arabia on October 25, 2017. This robot uses visual data processing, facial recognition, and also imitates human gestures and facial expressions. 6. A robot named Raptor runs twice as fast as a human. The Institute of Science and Technology, Korea created a sprinting robot named Raptor. The robot is designed to sprint faster than a human, running as fast as 46 kilometers per hour. Above all, this robot is inspired by the Velociraptor, a dinosaur from the Cretaceous period which can run up to 64 kilometers per hour. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. For more videos, subscribe my channel.